Hello and welcome back to another unboxing video for a craft by Sarah Ashford. Now this I got in Homebargains, which is a UK store that kind of has a bit of everything, a bit of household, a bit of makeup, DIY stuff, craft stuff, food, almost you name it, they've got it. And it's usually reasonably priced. The last Sarah Ashford video I had was to make a felted beehive, and I enjoyed that very much. Those kits were £1.49. This one, I can't quite remember. It was a bit more expensive. It's a bit of a chunkier kit, but I will put the price probably here somewhere. So I've never done this. It's latch hook work, and there's enough in this one to create a piece that's 30 centimetres by 30 centimetres, which you could use as wall art, a cushion or a rug. That's a mighty small rug. I'm just saying. So in the kit we've got yarn, we've got the canvas aider, we've got a latch hook tool, and we've got instructions, and I chose the sunflower one. They had a few others, which at the moment I can't quite remember what they were, but you can see here. And there's a top tip here. Excuse me. There's a top tip here that says, can you see that? Is that in focus? Always start making your first knot in the right bottom corner when right-handed, or the left bottom corner when left-handed. Okay, so start there and work across basically. I wonder why that is. Let's open the box and find out what's inside. Like I said, it's a chunky box. Ooh, check that out. You see, I've seen people do latch hook before, but check this. All lovely and neatly cut already for us. So we've got one. That's coming out a bit, that one. Oh, we can push it back in again easily though. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bundles of yarn. I'd love to see the factory where these are made. I don't know if any of these join on to the end of the other. Not that that's relevant. So we've got 10 bundles of yarn. Let's move those there. Obviously this is going to be a project I'm not going to do in one video, and I might not even start it today. We have the instructions, we have the aider, and our tool is latch hooked in. Oh, there we go. So here's our latch hook tool. That's how long it is, about the length of my hand. Oh, like I say, I've never done this before, but I fancied something to be able to do just sitting down, maybe while I'm watching a bit of telly or something. So on this canvas, I don't know if it matters which end you start from. I suppose if I wanted to start with brown, I could start here and work over, as long as I'm going from the bottom right, because I'm right-handed. So it's very easy to see the different colours that we've got on here. Oh, I've got my hooks caught. And let's see how good these instructions are for a beginner. Oh, okay. It tells us to start with it that way. Fine. Tells us letters for the colours. I mean, the quality of the photocopy is not brilliant. However, you can still see, and those who might be a bit hard of seeing like myself might have to either get a magnifying glass on it or enlarge the picture. Please note that the print on the canvas is for position and size reference only. The square count may differ to the instructions provided. Oh, okay. I'm going to take that as permission to do what I want. Okay, loop the yarn around the hook behind the latch. Push the hook down through one square and up the one immediately above until the latch is through. Then pull the hook slightly, just far enough until the latch begins to close. See illustration 2. Bring the two ends of yarn across into the eye of the hook. Pull the hook back slowly through the loop. As you do this, the latch will close and grab the yarn. When this happens, release the two ends of the yarn and continue to pull the hook out. You may find it helpful to place the thumb of your free hand against the base of the knot as you pull the hook out. Keeping the two ends even, tighten the knot by pulling slightly until the knot is properly set. I got distracted by a pen falling over just there, sorry. Alrighty. I'm going to put these back in the box just to give myself some space. And I know my temptation would be just to pull this whole thing off, but I'm not going to. I'm going to just, for now, see if I can follow these instructions. Just pull one white one out. Zoom in. Right. Loop the yarn around, oh, where's my hook? Oh, it's gone down there. Hook the yarn around the hook behind the latch. Push the hook, please don't laugh at this, honestly, I've never done it before. Push the hook down through one square and up the one immediately above. Oh, down through one square. Oh, yay. And up the one immediately above until the latch is through. Then pull the hook slightly so the latch begins to close. It's closed completely, so you didn't want that. Bring the two ends of the yarn across and into the eye of the hook. Pull the hook backwards. Oh, so it closes. When this happens, release the two ends of the yarn and continue pulling it. Oh, check that out. Is that right? I've got my yarn caught. There we go. I think that's it. Right, let's see if I can do that again. I'm not going to do many with you today, honestly, because I think, I don't even know if you can see what that looks like. So fold it in half, set it so it's behind the hook, push it down through one and up through the next. Put the like that. I'll put the yarn like that and pull it through. This, can I just tell you, is harder than it looks. But I've done 2 bits. Okay. Does that look right? Do you just do 1 in each square? Okay. I'm going to finish off this bottom row. So fold it in half. Put the hook, oh, did I go on the bottom? Yeah, I did go on the bottom there. Put the hook through, bring it up in the next one. Oh no, gone wrong already. Put the yarn round, put the hook down, up through the next one. Wrap the yarn round. Failure. Okay, let's try that again. Put the hook round, the yarn round the hook. Push it down through and up. And put it round through there. And pull it through. Okay. I think I need to look at this because it's showing I've been putting both sides of the yarn on one side, but it's showing one on one side and one on the other. It looks right in this picture. Anyway, I will be back to show you my progress on this little project. I'm not quite sure when. And if anybody's got any advice for me, please do put it in the comments below. This on here looks a lot denser than this here. So I wonder if I should do 2 bits in each square. It doesn't say to do that anywhere. But these squares look quite big to me. All right, I'm going to find a YouTube channel. You know how it goes. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll let you know what I know of what I think about this kit. I think it might be something I do actually have to concentrate on more than I thought. But the yarn feels lovely. The colours are lovely. The instructions are quite clear. I just think I need to get the technique. Anyway, see you soon. Bye.